Weight loss is truly a journey, and it's all about patience and perseverance. One of the easiest ways to start is by focusing on a balanced diet. Incorporate fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to keep you feeling full. Don't forget protein sources like chicken, fish, and legumes to help build muscle. Healthy fats from almonds and olive oil are great too, while it's best to steer clear of sugar and processed foods that can sabotage your efforts. Regular exercise is key. Cardio activities like running or cycling burn calories, while strength training builds muscle. And let's not overlook yoga and meditation. They're fantastic for reducing stress and improving mental health. Healthy habits play a crucial role as well. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, stay hydrated, and manage stress effectively. Eating smaller meals throughout the day can help control hunger, and remember to chew slowly to avoid overeating. Lastly, try to minimize distractions while eating. It's all about being mindful. Losing weight takes time, so be patient with yourself and consult a doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine.